Okay. We don't need this. We don't need this. Again, new R script. Problem set 6. And you do your name. Saving. Into the folder for this class. Setting working directory. Again, session, set working directory, choose directory, data sets. Oops. Oh, shit. Okay, let's try one more time. Oops. Highlight and run. Importing data. Okay, let's see. This one we are like doing ourselves, right? So, oops. File, import dataset, import from Excel, browse, datasets. Yeah, I think this one. Open. And making sure variables are numeric. Oops. 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 And with this, we can do skip. And over here as well. Skip. Import. It is. And let's copy past this. Oops. But we need to get rid of this. It gives us error, right? We need to get rid of these classes. Okay, let's see what's next. Rename the data. Okay, bless you. Renaming data. When you start typing it, it shows up. So you click and you run. What's next? Run descriptive statistics. Yeah, by the way, let's get rid of the NAs. So getting rid of NAs. I happen to remember the code. I usually don't. I guess I'm doing it like often really. This is why I copy paste stuff. I just don't remember the code. I am old. Okay. Yep, no NAs. Nice. Running descriptive stats. You start typing it, it shows up. Run. Okay, what we see here. Yeah, that's numeric, obviously. And by running descriptive stats, you, by the way, you can check if variables which are supposed to be numeric are numeric. You cannot run, let's say, median or mean on character variable, right? So this way you can like check stuff. What's next? Run a cross tab on citizenship and race. Yeah, and report results in the table. Okay, let's do frequency distribution on citizenships. Oops. Run. $. Oops. And let's find citizenship. Run. Okay. Now you have frequency distribution on citizenship. 11 people. Can somebody interpret it, please? Okay, go ahead. Yeah, probably.
F0 and 2.
No way. Do you guys follow? Do you have the same results?
Yeah.
Did you get rid of an ace? Vincent, do you have the same results? Okay. Maybe like different version of data set. I don't know. We like build it so many times. Maybe this thing. Okay, what's next? Run cross tab on citizenship and race. Run cross tab on citizenship and race. Thanks to my, we all know, simpler code, right? Citizenship. Race. Okay, let's see. Yep, can somebody interpret it? But this is weird. For race, we have 5 categories, right? Yeah.
Yeah, the problem stuff without the to the man because it was an egg one show.
Oh, okay. Let's do this way. Let's not get rid of an ace. And okay. And we're just going back to the data set without with an ace. Let's do this. Okay, this makes more sense. So guys, the question is, remember we had a question, what do you do? Like, do you get rid of an ace or not? I guess sometimes you don't. If it doesn't mess with like your statistics, you don't do it. So you only get rid of an ace when your code doesn't work. Can somebody interpret the results in crosstab? For that, you need a code book for this data set. Yep. Mm-hmm. 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 Thing is, by this time we already have like modern students. We have like aunts and uncles and whatever. So, okay. So let's see what's next. Interpret every line. So what just Yuan did, you need to write a sentence saying there are this number of people of this race with citizenship and stuff. So interpret every line in the crosstab using code book for the data set. Okay, run appropriate statistic to see if there is statistically significant difference between citizenship and years of schooling. Okay, I'm old. I don't remember the code for t-test. So running t-test, finding this stuff. Okay, copying it. Don't think we will need it. Okay, running t-test between citizenship and years of. Again, why I chose t-test? Yep. Yes, citizenship is categorical variable, right? Okay, let's see. Oops. So citizenship has two values, one for citizens and 0 for non-citizens. So we only need this one line. We are going to compare non-citizens with citizens. Yep.
So, since I did no NA, should I go back through it and submit it?
Like no. Let's see if it works. Maybe it doesn't, and we will have to get rid of an ace. Let's see. Um, And I have been seeing some of you have been trying to cheat me by submitting bullshit t-test code. I kind of know R, so don't do it. So we are replacing names of the data set, right? Then over here, we have interval ratio variable. And what is interval ratio variable in this case? What should I type here? Yep. Once you start typing it, it shows up. And over here, we need to have categorical variables. So what should I be typing here? Yep. And again, it has only two values. And we know which ones. So this is how we change it. And over here as well. Oops. Okay, let's see if it works. Yep, it does. How we interpret p-value? It's a little bit tricky here. Yep. Well, it is not significant at 95%. But remember, I told you 3 levels of significant. Ideal one, 99%. Common one, 95%. And less ideal, 90%. So what can we say here? No, it is not significant at 95, but it is significant at 90. I think it is somewhere in the PowerPoint. I think I showed you this before. Okay. So again, when you interpret, you say, in this case, p-value is, you must report your p-value. This way I will know you actually done the stuff. The p-value is 0.06, which is larger than 0.05. So it is not statistically significant at 95% confidence level, but it is statistically significant at 90% confidence level. Write it down, please. Okay, what next? Run appropriate statistic. We did. Interpret results. Submit R script and text file with interpreting results of your frequency distribution. Cross-tab every single line in a cross-tab. And the results of the t-test. Compare p-value and say if it's significant or not and at which level. And in this case, it is statistically significant at 90% confidence level. That would be your homework, which was due an hour ago.